In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly import your customer data from an Excel spreadsheet into QuickBooks Online. This process will help ensure that all your important customer information is organized and easy to access for your accounting needs. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to prepare your Excel file, which is the foundation of your data import journey. Start by opening your customer list in Excel. It's crucial that your file includes clear column headers. Some of the most important ones you'll need are display name, which is essential, company name, first name, and last name. Also consider including email, phone, billing address, and shipping address. Having these clearly labeled will make the import process much smoother. Once you're satisfied with your data, save the file in either .xlsx or .csv format. These formats are compatible with QuickBooks and will ensure an easier transition of information. Now let's shift to QuickBooks Online. Open up Chrome or whatever web browser you prefer and head over to quickbooks.intuit.com to sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you're just a few clicks away from importing your customer data. Next, access the Import Customers tool. You'll do this by clicking on the Settings, which is represented by a gear icon located in the upper right corner of your screen. Under the Tools section, you'll find an option labeled Import Data. Go ahead and select that and then choose Customers from the list of import options that appear. Moving on, it's time to upload your file. You'll see an option to either click Browse or to simply drag and drop your prepared Excel or CSV file into the designated area. Once your file is uploaded, click Next to proceed. Now comes an important step, mapping your fields. QuickBooks will attempt to match the columns from your Excel file to its own customer fields. Take the time to carefully review these mappings. You may need to adjust them to ensure, for example, that Excel's phone is linked to QuickBooks Phone. The main goal here is to make sure all required fields, such as display name, are mapped correctly. This step is critical to maintaining the integrity of your data. After you've mapped your fields, click Next to see a summary of the customers ready for import. If everything looks good and you're satisfied, go ahead and click Import. Then, you simply wait for QuickBooks to do its thing. It will notify you once the import is complete. To wrap up this process, you'll want to verify your customers were successfully imported. Navigate to Sales, then Customers, and examine your newly uploaded customer list. It's a good idea to check a few entries to make sure that all the details were imported correctly and match your original data. And that's it. You've just imported your customer list into QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps streamline your workflow.